have a bunch of leftovers. I've got chicken and a little tiny bit of green peppers and rice and enchilada sauce and olives and some salsa. So what I'm going to do is make an enchilada casserole. I'm going to spray my pan first. There we go. Then, don't think that's quite enough rice. Let's see. Okay, that's not quite enough rice. All right, I had a fresh pat of rice for Mike's rice for the week for lunches. So, oops, there's a little rock. I have never found a rock in rice. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Okay, so that's probably a good amount of rice. Then I'm going to cut up my chicken. Use this instead. Sprinkle that on top. And tip for olives, just smash them. You don't need to cut them up. Just take your hand and go through and smash them, and they will be in nice little pieces. Take, my goodness, not even half, a tenth of the time to cut it all up. There you go. Okay, so let's spread that all over, and let's see, what do we have left? We've got a couple of onions and that there. And then we got rid of that, and we got rid of that. Now we got some salsa I need to use up. Okay, I'm gonna pour that in. All right. Then I'm gonna pour my seasoned salt. Spread my salsa just a little bit better. Then I'm going to take my enchilada sauce that I have left over, and I'm going to drizzle it all over, just like so. It's a good way to get rid of all the leftovers and clean out the fridge and not have to spend a lot of time doing dinner. That spread. Okay, let me get all this in the sink because it's driving me crazy. Okay, now, Fiesta blend. Jack's favorite. Now, here's a little tip. If you want your Mexican food to be stringier for type of cheese, add just a little bit of mozzarella. You don't have to add a lot, just a little bit, and then it gives it the nice stringiness and adds a little bit of flavor. And then we got our Fiesta blend right here. That is Jack's side. And then our goat cheese for Mike and I. Gonna put that on. Yum. And we're gonna put this in the oven at 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. All we really have to do is warm it up. I mean, we're cooking the potatoes, the onions and the peppers, but everything else is already pre-cooked. So we're basically just warming everything up. All right, there's Mike and I's. And get every little bit. All right, I have 5 containers of leftovers containers in the sink. Now I'm gonna push this all down just a little bit because I don't want my foil to stick on my cheese quite so much. So you guys will notice I'm doing the dairy-free side before I do the dairy side, and then I'll just put my spoon in the sink. That way I don't have to get a fresh spoon to go between. I mean, Mike and I aren't so bad that we can't have a little bit of dairy, but if we eat a lot, it makes us kind of sick. Okay, putting the foil, and I'm putting this in the oven. What did you just say when you took it out of the oven?
That looks pretty good.
Does it look delicious?
Yeah.
Do you think?
What is it?
I would love to eat that enchilada casserole.
Oh, yes. I would love to eat that enchilada casserole.
To have the taste test, the official taste test.
Dun, 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 dun,
Here we
dun,
go.
dun.
Okay, ready? Thumbnail. Very good.
I love this stuff. It's delicious.
Is it delish?
Yum. Amazing. It's wonderful.
Wow, a 3 table pound. That's pretty good.
Pounding. It's a 3 get it together people pound.
With leftovers.
No, man, this is really good. I want seconds, and I haven't finished first yet.